A second. How many seconds is it going to take for the Earth to get all the way back around to my cursor?
365.
52 seconds, right? It's not a huge math problem, but if you think about it for a second, to show kids what a year really means. A year means that the Earth went all the way around the sun back to the same place. And you can actually show them what day they were born on, where the Earth was relative to Mars. You just have to go here, date and time. You can put in any date or time from the year 1950 to 2050. So the way I like to say it is that this software allows you to place a virtual camera anywhere inside or outside of the solar system from 1950 to 2050. That means you could fly along with Voyager when it went by Saturn. And you can see exactly what it would have looked like if you were there when it happened. And I'll demonstrate this, but I want you to try it at home. That's the point of my being here, okay? So start with this. And so I told you you have a camera. It looks a lot like a mouse. And I click and drag, but you have to have a focus. We start by making the orbit of the focus of the camera on the sun. Now, in Eyes on the Solar System, anything with a label is special. So if I click on, I'm going to go back to now. If I click on anything with a label, double click, that camera focuses on that object. So now I'm focused on Mars, and I can click and drag, and I can orbit around Mars.
We must install this app.
So let's take a look at, focus. Let's look at one of the moons of Mars. It's a very odd moon of Mars. It's odd shaped. And if you were at Phobos right now, this is almost what it would look like. Now, if you want to see exactly what it looked like, there's a little camera down here. We'll turn off all the lines, and you'd be pointing toward these volcanoes called the Tharsis Montes right here. This is Valles Marineris on Mars. But you see, you get the idea. It would look a little different because you'd have a lot more stars. Our star map only has about 6,000 stars, and there's hundreds of millions. Question, sir?
Do you have the rover's model?
Question, do we have the rover's model? Of course we do. In fact, I'm going to have you fly with me while we land the rover. I'll do that in a little while. All right? Stick with me. And what I wanted to show is I want to make sure, does everybody have a pair of 3D glasses?
We got it.
If you don't have a pair of 3D glasses, hey, Dylan, will you please hand these out to people who don't have 3D glasses?
Okay.
Eliza, here's some.